reaction due to alpha hydrogen. So there are two reactions. The first is known as Aldol condensation. Okay, Aldol condensation. So, and again, we say this is reaction due to alpha hydrogen. So, whichever aldehydes contains alpha hydrogen will undergo aldol condensation. That is the first point. Aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen undergoes aldol condensation. Sorry. What are the aldehydes that does not contain alpha hydrogen?
Formaldehyde.
So I have HCHO.
Benzaldehyde.
So C double bond O H. Alpha hydrogen arka. Alpha carbon irka first. Functional group ka attach another alpha carbon.
Alpha carbon.
Functional group ka
Sir,
attach.
alpha carbon illa sir, ana alpha hydrogen.
Alpha carbon ka attach another alpha hydrogen. Alpha carbon illana eppadi alpha hydrogen irukum.
Yes sir, it is sir.
Okay. This is not alpha carbon. Functional group ka attach another carbon the alpha carbon. This is your functional group. Carbonyl group is your functional group. So there is no alpha carbon. So no alpha carbon, no alpha hydrogen. So HCHO will not undergo aldol condensation. Then benzaldehyde. Pohuma.
Yes sir.
Irka alpha carbon. Sorry, alpha hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, it is sir.
எங்க இருக்கு?
Benzene attach ஆயிருக்கு.
அது எங்க?
Benzene இருக்க carbon.
Alpha carbon இருக்கு, no alpha hydrogen.
There is no alpha hydrogen here. Okay. So benzaldehyde and formaldehyde will not undergo aldol condensation. One more question. Sorry, 0. Okay. So again, as I said, one more question here. So name the products or name the substrate that does not undergo aldol condensation. Benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. Assertion reasoning. Reason because they don't have alpha hydrogen. The statement is true, reason is true, right? So many questions. Okay. What is the purpose of alpha hydrogen? So if I have C double bond O, and then I have a carbon, and then I have a hydrogen, right? So this is my functional group. This is my alpha carbon. This is my alpha hydrogen. Now, what is the characteristic of alpha hydrogen? Alpha hydrogen is highly acidic in nature. So அதுதான் வந்து H plus போகும். Okay. இப்போ let's say if this reacts in a basic medium. Okay. So this one reacts with basic medium. In presence of basic medium. So வந்து ஒரு proton வந்து it can get donated. For example, let's say I'm not writing the entire thing. So I have C double bond O, CH. Fill பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay. In the presence of basic medium, OH minus, this H plus, what will happen? This H2O will go away.
Yes.
Right? Then what will happen to this carbon? So I have C double bond O. I have this carbon. This will become negative. Correct? The carbon will take these electrons, right?
Yes.
So it will become negative. So this is a carbanion. Carbocation. This is a carbanion.
Yes.
But this carbanion, right, is very stable. Any reason? We say this is very stable. Yeah.
Oxygen is highly electronegative, then it will take the negative side. Minus
Sorry. If this oxygen takes away this thing, this negative, this electron can come here. So it kind of has a resonating structure. Correct?
Yes.
Are you all able to understand this? So this is this is my substrate, right? This is my substrate which has a alpha hydrogen. So this is basically my aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen. Okay. So if I react this within a basic medium, so it is going to get basically in the alpha hydrogen poido. So a carbanion form, right? But in the carbanion form, it is not going to get back this H plus again. Because this itself is stable.
Yes.
Right? Then what is happening here? So this is your resonating structure. So we say this is due to resonance. This is what is going to come into play with respect to aldol condensation. Okay, so we're not got into the reaction yet. I'm saying what is why we have alpha hydrogen, why we require alpha hydrogen, and what is going to happen. In the first step,
Yes.
so
Yes,
for
sir.
aldol condensation, what I'm going to do is I need 2 units of aldehyde. Okay. So I need 2 units of the same aldehyde. So now I'm taking CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. So I'm going to take 2 units of CH3CHO. I'm writing like this. CH2C double bond O H H. Okay. So this is an alpha carbon, this is an alpha hydrogen, correct? Now this is more acidic in nature, right? And I'm going to react this with NaOH, right? Dilute NaOH. So it will have OH minus. This is going to attack this H plus, right?
Yes.
It will become CH2, CHO, negative.
Yes.
Right? So this is actually stable. That is what I'm saying. This is stable. Okay. Now, this carbanion, right? This is my carbanion. It is going to act as a nucleophile and it is going to attack the another unit of CH3CHO I have. Prida.
Yes.
This is nothing but my another unit of substrate. Everybody clear so far?
Yes.
Okay. Keeping it now. So this is negative, right? Now, this oxygen will take these electrons. A carbon la positive oro, but this can go and attach here. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Now I'm going to have a single product. So look at this and tell me if you're understanding. CH3, C, H, O, negative. Idhula in the CH2, CHO on the aldehyde. Prida. In the carbon la in the CH2, CHO aldehyde. The CH2, CHO has come and attached to this carbon. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then we are having the dilute NaOH. So dilute NaOH, it means it is also having water. Yeah. So I have H plus and OH minus. Right. Now what is going to happen? This H plus will go and support this oxygen. So what do I get here? CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CHO. Now, what do you see in this? Okay. So, idhula vandu or CHO irukku or OH irukka? It has two functional groups, aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and alcohol. இதுல எதுக்கு precedence ஜாஸ்தி? Aldehyde ka alcohol ka? Aldehyde. So CHO is the main functional group. Then this carbon is alpha carbon. This carbon is beta carbon. Okay. So we call this as beta OH is a beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. That is what we call this. இதுக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் இருக்கு. This is known as aldol, coming from aldehyde and alcohol. Is it clear?
Yes.
இவ்வளவு நேரம் வந்து இப்பதான் டைட்டிலே போட்டிருக்கோம். This is your aldol. Now what happens? This needs to condense. Aldol condensation is our reaction name. Condensation என்ன? Condensation. What needs to go? Water needs to go from here. Okay. So water எப்படி போகுதுன்னா, ஒரு hydrogen from the alpha carbon and OH from the beta is going to go away. So what will be my product? CH3 CH. இந்த OH போயிடுச்சு, இந்த CH2 ல ஒரு H போயிடுச்சு, double bond CH CHO. What is this called? You have a double bond and aldehyde. This is known as
Enol.
enal. Enal.
Enol.
ENAL. EN stands for double bond. AL stands for your aldehyde. புரியுதா?
Yes.
Okay, so this is aldol condensation. It is a chemical reaction. So where you are preparing or preparing where your 2 units of aldehyde, you react this with NaOH, you form enal. Or enal preparation, okay? Aldol condensation is what we are going to do. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
யாருக்கா புரிஞ்சா? யாருக்கா புரியல? Anybody? சரி. Again, this one, ketone aldehyde group இருக்கா? Sorry, alpha carbon இருக்கா? CH3C double bond or CH3. We have aldehyde group there. Sorry, alpha carbon. நிறைய இருக்கே. This is your alpha carbon. This is your alpha carbon. You have 6 alpha. Alpha, sorry, alpha hydrogen. You have alpha hydrogen, right? So this also will undergo aldol condensation. Sorry. If I give you CH3CHO is your aldehyde. Ivlo steps if I ask you to quickly do it, how will you do? So I'm just going to give you like a shortcut. Okay, so I'm saying I have CH3CHO, react this with NaOH, right? Dilute NaOH. What is the product form? How can I write this? 2 units. And heat, because we are doing condensation. Okay, so what you can do is, so I am taking CH3CHO, correct? So let's say I'm writing 1 unit as like this. Okay, and then the another unit as like this. Okay, then you remove H2O from this. CH3 CH3. Okay. How will you write this? CH3 CH from this one. CH3 CH from this one. Double bond CH CHO from this one.
Yes.
Possible or not?
Yes.
Okay, so try and tell me if I give 2 units of CH3, C double bond O, CH3, and I'm giving dilute NaOH heat, what will be the product form? So ஒரு யூனிட்ல இருந்து ஆக்சிஜன் எடுங்க, ஒரு யூனிட்ல இருந்து 2 ஹைட்ரஜன் எடுங்க, அவ்வளவுதான்.
CH3 twice, C.
ட்வைஸ்ல எல்லாமே ஸ்ட்ரக்சரா கொடுமா. Yeah, actually that's correct. இல்ல அதான் ஷெனீட் வித் டபுள் பாண்ட் எல்லாம் இதுல எதுக்கு டபுள் பாண்ட் இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. You need to have an enal basically. Ketal வரும். So this will be ketol oxidase ஆகி enon 100% this question aldol condensation la varum. I mean aldol, there are 3 reactions which is all related. illa others. See Harshad, இதுல CHO வரதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இல்லை இல்லையா? Because you don't have a CHO in the substrate. CHO is for an aldehyde. You basically have a ketone now. Okay, let's do this. I need to remove 2 hydrogen from alpha carbon, or I need to remove 2 alpha hydrogen from one unit, and I need to remove the oxygen from the other unit. So first unit வந்து எப்படி எழுதலாம்? I need to remove 2 alpha hydrogen. So CH3, C double bond O, CH3 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? So can I write it like this? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. That's my first unit. Second unit la CH3, C double bond O, CH3 எழுதலாமா?
Yes.
So which means that this is going to go away. இப்ப you just need to mix these two. கீழ என்ன இருக்கு? CH3, CH3, C, CH3. I have a double bond and just write the other top one. CH, C double bond O, CH3. அவ்வளவுதான். இதையும் double bond la mix பண்ணணும். We are going to add that after removing it. Is it easy?
Yes.